Mastering Customs Duties and Taxes, Essential Tips for Importers.
Welcome back to our Customs Brokerage series. In today's video, we'll be diving into the topic of customs duties and taxes. As an importer or exporter, it's crucial to understand whether your shipments are subject to these fees, as they can have a significant impact on your bottom line.
So let's get started.
Before we discuss how to determine if your shipment is subject to customs duties and taxes, let's clarify what exactly these terms mean. Customs duties are taxes imposed on imported goods by the customs authority of a country. These duties are typically based on the value or quantity of the imported goods and are meant to protect domestic industries, regulate imports, and generate government revenue. On the other hand, customs taxes, also known as import taxes or tariffs, are additional charges imposed on imported goods. These taxes are often imposed to protect domestic industries, control imports, or promote specific economic policies. The rates and application of customs taxes vary from country to country and depend on factors such as the type of goods imported and the country of origin. Now that we have a basic understanding of customs duties and taxes, let's discuss how you can determine whether your shipment is subject to these fees. One crucial step is to classify your imported goods according to the Harmonized System (HS) code, which is an internationally recognized system used to categorize products. The HS code will determine the duty rates and any additional taxes or fees that may apply to your goods. It's essential to accurately classify your goods to avoid overpaying or underpaying duties and taxes. You can find the correct HS code for your goods by consulting the Harmonized System codebook or by seeking assistance from a customs broker. Speaking of customs brokers, they can be incredibly valuable in helping you determine the applicability of customs duties and taxes to your shipments. Customs brokers are licensed professionals who specialize in understanding and navigating the customs clearance process. They have extensive knowledge of customs regulations and the latest trade policies and can provide invaluable guidance and support. When working with a customs broker, they will review your shipment details, including the nature of the goods, their origin, and their destination. Based on this information, they will determine the correct HS code and inform you of any potential customs duties and taxes. This expert advice will help you make informed decisions and plan your import or export expenses effectively. Now, let's touch on another important aspect related to customs duties and taxes: customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee required by customs authorities to ensure compliance with customs regulations and the payment of duties and taxes. It acts as a form of insurance for the government in case of non-compliance or unpaid fees. By obtaining a customs bond, you can expedite the customs clearance process and avoid delays. It provides peace of mind to both importers and customs authorities, allowing for smoother transactions and reducing the potential risks associated with unpaid duties and taxes. Lastly, let's briefly discuss the Importer Security Filing (ISF) requirement. This is a mandatory filing that must be submitted to U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) by importers for any ocean cargo entering the United States. The ISF must be filed at least 24 hours before the cargo is loaded onto a vessel for departure. The purpose of the ISF is to enhance supply chain security by enabling CBP to identify high-risk cargo shipments before they reach U.S. ports. While the ISF is not directly related to customs duties and taxes, it is a crucial component of the customs clearance process that importers need to be aware of. Understanding whether your shipment is subject to customs duties and taxes is essential for any importer or exporter. By correctly classifying your goods, working with a customs broker, and obtaining a customs bond if necessary, you can navigate the customs clearance process smoothly and ensure compliance with customs regulations. Remember, the expertise of a customs broker can be instrumental in avoiding unnecessary costs and complications. Thank you for joining us in this video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative videos about customs brokerage and international trade. Disclaimer note below. Until next time, happy importing and exporting.